Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson, and we are here at Six Flags Over Georgia for a Twisted Cyclone construction update. Let's go check it out.
Alright, so here is Twisted Cyclone from the outside. You can see a lot of work here, including the next inversion. It looks like they're still working on it, because when you look at it closer up, let me try zooming this in here. They haven't completely finished that, if you can see that. But something does look a little interesting about this overbank. They've completed the overbank, but look at that outside. You see how all that wood is hanging? Makes you curious. Right over there is after the overbank, which is right here. And again, here's another shot of the weird looking wood. We'll have to see what progresses with that. But altogether, everything looks amazing. It looks really, really good. So from the inside, you can see the Twisted Cyclone logo. I'll get a better shot of that in a second, but there's a crane, there's a building, and there are workers. And look at that overbank. So here's an update. Near here, the bathrooms are reopened and this place has been redone. This area is still a little bit of a mess, but they're working on that. But it's really nice to see this place opened up. You can see the station still needs a little bit of work, but we have workers. We have workers working on the steel, tightening some bolts. We have some workers over there, and we have some workers over on the lift hill. And there's what will be the exit. So it will lead out here. We'll exit out this direction. I showed this in the last update, but I didn't really say what happened. This got repainted. They added umbrellas to the tables. And there's the logo. Okay, so we are closer to the lift and we can see a better shot of the logo. And there are workers on the exit, the very last part of the ride as well. It is definitely an active construction site today. You can see a ledger being placed in right now. There's a crane dropping it in. You can see another crane over here right by the wave turn. Looks amazing over here. Here's another shot of the drop and the reverse cobra roll. And we can see that crane just placed down a ledger. There are some workers over there as well. But something looks a little weird about this exit. It doesn't quite follow through from there to there. Kind of cuts off that wood. So maybe they haven't done it yet to follow through there, or maybe they're adding on some more track. I don't know. We can see in the distance some more blue on the ground right there. There's some more workers over there working on that. But all in all, this place looks really, really good. They've made a lot of progress in just the past couple weeks. Looks absolutely amazing. They're working really hard on this, and it seems they're working constantly now as opening gets closer and closer, and it looks so good.
Well guys, that is going to be the end of this construction update. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit like, and if you like what we do, make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.